I'm dead ass
They look
vlogging.
good though.
Damn.
See what the 85 do? The 85 keep that shit mint.
Yeah, we vlogging on the phone right now, guys.
That shit come on.
What happened, Julio? Yo, hold on. First of all, look at me.
Can you nah?
My man.
Cause you have to edit out how chapped my lips are, my nigga.
Oh my god.
All right, now.
So first of all, right there,
we was taking off the flywheel because we found out that the what is this? What is it called? The pilot bearing. It was messed up. So he was like, "Yo, you want to take it off?" I was like, "All right." We took it off, and then this happened.
Oh nah.
So when we snapped that one bolt and we took off the rest, we found out that the crank got very hot, and then the flywheel did too.
Oh, that's why your whole show was smoking right there.
And to do all of this and fix all of this,
Might as well just get a whole new block.
You gotta change the crank.
Yeah. And to change the crank, nigga, to do all of that, you might as well get another.
another 20, boy. Stay true to the 20.
How much is it? 650.
650 for the TSX
Julio
JDM version, and then
Julio, you gonna get it next week then, right? Some money man right now.
and then all you gotta do is sell the head, boy. Niggas will give you 200 for the head.
Yeah, rest in peace.
The K20.
Damn, B, it's over.
Use code.
Rest in peace. Yo, what you do? Wait, you think so? The
K.
training did just fuck up because of that thing, right? Or you think it? Or you think it was just dead?
The flywheel was still in place.
everything was still good.
So I'm just confused.
This is two separate issues.
I'm just
we found another issue on top.
Taking the tranny out.
That's crazy. That was meant to happen, and literally it was meant to happen. The trans was meant to fuck up, so you could take off the flywheel and see that the crank was 2020 Bill Block.
And I'm going, yo, get this. I'm going 10s this year.
You going 10s and crashing? Shut up.
And my hatch. No,
My
no.
man just
for
going
real.
10. Julio.
No, I told them I'm going 10s in 2020 with the
Are you going 10s?
I'm going 10s.
I'm going 12.
10s.
That's all I happened to the car.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. Yo. Then that sucks. So now you gotta literally build the tranny and get a block. Yo, at least he knows that now when he gets a motor, it's gonna have like at least 50,000 miles.
Look,
Fresh block.
This is the half shaft. Where's the axle part of it?
What the hell?
Still looking for it.
That's his half shaft.
Oh yeah, there it is.
My shit's the same fucking way, bro. No bullshit.
All right, listen.
What, the selector? I didn't even try.
If anybody got any parts for dumb cheap,
I do.
Nah, we're not using used parts.
I do.
2020.
I might have said my man's Julio built motor for cheap. Here comes the training part. We can't even take it off.
No, that selector's stuck completely. I'll have to try to.
It's melted in there.
I don't even know how I'll be able to take this apart.
You'll have to try to take it, literally take
Try,
it apart.
like, just try.
And what? Maybe when you move the casing, the gears will move or something.
I'll take a sawzall and just.
Yeah, but I feel like that training. I feel like all those gears are probably done.
Yo, wait till Ant puts up a tranny with the fucking PPG.
Damn, my man's about to go 2020 whole new setup. Everything, block,
Everybody's popping
motor,
out 2020.
everything.
Yeah, boy, I'm gonna be out here with
Nah,
this
me
nigga going
2020,
10s,
2020,
nigga.
I'm staying the same. I ain't
Going
going.
10s. It doesn't
Nah,
matter.
2020, I'm going to the track though.
Like, I actually,
We all are, nigga. We
Nah,
all
I'm dead
trying.
ass.
We definitely all trying.
Yo, you going? We all going to track. My man's doing 10s. I'm doing 13s.
I'm in the track all day,
They're
every
doing
day.
9s. Julio's doing
you, man. If you want to
10s.
Man, my hair fucked up.
Because Aki said it in the
If you
video.
wanna pack
He
up
was
the
like, yo,
CRV, I
stock
can bring anything to the
24,
crib.
10s all day.
Well, you just need
much
a
space you
gutted
got
car though,
upstairs?
a light ass car, and you're good.
Yeah, hatch is a perfect platform, my nigga. I can't do that shit in a 4-door, yo, bugging.
Do what in the folder?
Go 10
Man,
in the
my
4-door.
car is fully full weight.
Motor 10.
Oh, you
Yo,
got all
Drew,
motor
I mean, yo,
tens
Derek, what
that
do
he
you
can
think?
add?
What do you think?
You need a lot of power.
Take everything out of my car and run it, or run it with everything in the car on the track and
makes-
just see. Like when I take it to the track, leave it the way it is.
Drive
full.
it the way it is. Because
And
that's
then
how you're gonna
see-
drive the
and
car
then see
anyways.
what-
It's not
see
even
what
gonna
it
take
is.
nothing out of it. Might as well drive it.
Well, I didn't even know I was gonna come out here to be doing this. Yo, Derek, are you moving?
Yeah. Yo, park it.
Yeah. You want two? Put my car right there. Nah. I park behind thing. Put my car behind yours. Put my car behind yours. Derek is leaving.
Oh, shit. I'm not driving that shit.
This shit don't go into reverse.
Please, I don't want to, like, break anything in the car.
Shit is over. This is on vlog right now. Julio gonna have to pay for everybody's shit. Well, guys. Yo, this motor lasted Julio at least. Yo, this motor at least probably a couple years it lasted Julio. He had the motor for a long time. 7 years, bro. Taking abuse. It was on M1, I think. M1,
Nigga, M93,
85, 93,
85,
87. Because he put 87 through the shit to clean it. Damn. I mean, 7 years is not bad. I mean, I've had my mom for that long too. Yeah, he left. He's coming back. Damn. I think it's time to paint this bed.
boy. Look at this flywheel boat. It's completely stripped.
Damn, I wonder how all that happened. How did it get so hot though?
Back to backs.
That's so confusing though. How did it?
Bro, you can't do back to back pulls.
We mean back-to-back pulls.
Nigga, when you start ripping this shit and make a pass, come back around and you rip that shit again, nigga, what do you think happens?
Yeah, but it's winter time. I don't think
Don't
it's gonna
matter.
go-
This clutch is aggressive, bro. Yeah. Shit gets hot, son.
Man, that is.
That shit is definitely not for daily use.
That looks pretty. That head is clean though too.
Yo, stock head, yo. Straight from factory, you heard?
Whoever don't believe,
Oh,
stock
yeah,
head.
nigga.
You know, my B16 head looks like this too. Nice and silver.
Nice and clean.
Well, I was just telling him how this should last you 7 years.
Yeah, definitely.
7 years, M1, 93, 87, 91, every type of gas in this shit, bro. You know, you could tell you was on E85 too. Look how clean your pistons are.
Yo, K20
Cylinder
block for
walls.
sale, you heard?
Look at your cylinder walls. Nice and fresh. Nothing, no scar, no nothing.
K20 block for sale.
That's crazy. This shit is nice and, bro, for the abuse it took,
That's what I said.
bro, them cylinder walls is clean. No
New
scarring.
set of pistons and everything in that motor. That should be brand new.
Yeah, you're not gonna do nothing with, you should keep this one though.
Spare, fuck yeah.
You heard, Julio? Keep it as a spare. As a spare.
Nah, we gonna put it in your car.
I'll take it. I swear to God, I'll take it. I buy crank, I buy pistons and everything little by little, start gathering everything little by little.
That's what I'm can't, bro. For the price you're gonna pay to rebuild that block, you get a 2.4.
No, I wouldn't build it. I wouldn't build the stock, obviously.
Stock to rebuild it stock, nigga.
No. If I was to rebuild the stock for that, I'd buy
Bro,
another block.
the crank is at best you're gonna get one for 200.
I'm talking about building it, like, you know, high compression pistons and all that.
But you still need a crank.
The only thing
I'm talking about everything. I'll get everything out of it though.
Motor-wise, I did my bearings on. I did bearings and thrust washer.
Oh yeah, I forgot you did your thrust washers because your crank was loose.
Yeah, my crank was loose.
That was like 2 years ago. That was like 2 years ago when you did that, right? I remember that shit too. I think he used to step on the gas. I mean on the clutch. He used to feel it like shake or some shit like that.
But I noticed that when I was about to put the motor up in the black car, and I was like pushing the clutch, and I felt like a doom. I'm like, oh. So I'm like this. You go like this to the crank and the clutch. It was just moving side to side. And that's because of the
And that
clutch,
was-
the aggressive clutch
Yeah.
with the thrust washers. They wore out after a while. Especially you don't have an auto stop
Damn,
on
now
this
you gotta
clutch.
get a flywheel for that shit too. The clutch is good though. The clutch is good.
Yeah, all of this is brand new. I got brand new discs.
Oh yeah, you got them. How long ago was that? 2? Get this.
10? Husky 10?
Like 2? Yeah, then you get it from.
I don't
It was like
remember
2
though.
years ago, I think.
Something like that.
And you barely drove the car anyways.
Bro, I don't give a fuck what y'all saying.
You know what, guys?
Twin disc got 15,000 miles on it. All I needed was 2 new discs and a throwout bearing.
That's basically it.
That's like mine. My clutch. The all I needed was you saw Julio. All I needed was the disc, and that's it.
No
Right.
ratchet, man.
But I be going through
Yo,
throwout
that's how
bearings
Julio
like
tightens
there's
his
no-
little
there's no
boy joint.
tomorrow.
Look, the guy here tightens his little boy joint. He draws like that too. People that gonna believe me too. People be thinking Julio be doing the most ghettoest shit, and it still works though. Yeah, I can guarantee you Julio could put this motor back together, and this should have drive perfectly fine with Julio's luck. Who wanna buy? Who wanna buy?
Game, boy.
Oh my God, my man was still making power like that, tuned and everything.
Game, bro.
You know who could weld that for you? Ben Wells. So Ben Wells, show him. Where's that? Oh, can't see on the camera. Y'all would need some help over here.
Dude, that was big.
And tuned with those, made good power with those, still driving with those.
These ain't no, I'm not gonna fix it. There's no point.
Yeah, it's gonna keep, vibration is gonna keep breaking.
Split on the side.
Man, bro, literally 2020, you're gonna have a whole new setup. Literally everything. This just goes to show, my man had a 7-year-old motor, exhaust that had the biggest exhaust leak, made power with it, and we're still putting on. We're still putting it in. Yo, that's like.
That's the same header.
No, yeah, that's the same header that's been with this motor for like 7 years. And that's like when I took my car and my I had the exhaust leak and everything, and I made the power that I made on that car. So if my exhaust would have been better, I would have made even more power with the car, but it's what it is. Damn, I should have caught that. I should have caught that pool that I did on the block. That shit sounded good, right? Learned it from my man Julio. That was a power. That was a power shift. I just don't like to do it totally because that mount. I'm scared that mount's gonna break off and the motor's gonna drop, and then I'm done. I gotta get the torque mount. Me and my man's right here. We waiting for the FCS reinforcement plate right here. He's gonna need it because my man's going for them high powers. 800 or die.
I don't know about 800.
Echo. Yeah, you came over here thinking it was just a training fix, right?
Yeah, nigga, I mean, that's what I thought it was.
Yeah, that's what we all thought. But look, you see the damage? Show them the damage, bro.
Right here. The crank is fucked up. The bolt broke.
Damn.
The crank is cracked right here.
Yeah.
The flywheel's cracked. Look at all that.
It's welded. It's like cement on it. Yo, what up, boy?
Some JB welds. Put some JB welds in it. Yo, it'll literally work for Julio. JB weld works perfect for Julio. Oh man, bro. And the side of this is cracked right here. Bad. Like that whole tube was about to fly off. Bro. Sadly, you guys ain't gonna watch this video. You guys ain't gonna see this video for a long time. Super long time. Yo, Julio, where you put my keys at? Well, Julio, when you seen this video, summer of 2020, this should probably never comes out.
Man, when I'm done.
Where's Drew? He left?
But not soon. I ain't gonna say soon. Soon is like. Maybe a while.
Honestly, after like in the future, obviously the hatch, I can't even do anything to the hatch. It's cold.
No one
But it's obviously gonna be done like as soon as it gets warm, bro. Cause like, nigga, I did the front suspension on the 4-door and that shit was mad easy. I've never put up a motor in a car, but nigga,
Yeah, but taking that from there to there is gonna be easy though.
No,
you already have everything. It's just literally just.
everything.
I have a dolly too. You got a dolly?
Nah.
I got a dolly in the backyard. Take the dolly, put it there, transfer.
what
it.
I seen,
literally drop the motor on the dolly, move it over, jack it up. Well, jack the car all the way down.
No, yeah, I seen like
That's
without no time, like niggas drop it all the way to the floor.
That's what we did mine. That's how me and Julio did my shit. You take the wheels off, you drop it all the way to the floor. I'm leaving right now too. I gotta. All right, guys, what's going on, guys? So I know you guys are a little bit confused right now. So basically, this video wasn't supposed to come out until like summertime. We was gonna keep the whole build a secret, not let anybody know what motor he was gonna do and all of the other stuff. So Julio wanted to keep it a secret. When I got there, I was just supposed to hang out with them, just just to hang out. I didn't bring my camera, I didn't bring anything. All of that was literally recording on my iPhone. So obviously you guys are gonna notice the difference between this camera and my iPhone. So Julio was like, yo, look what happened. Like, so basically what was supposed to happen was he was supposed to just take down the transmission because he rebuilt the transmission, if you guys don't know. So he rebuilt it, drove the car like 3 times. The last time he was like literally ripping the car. Car still stuck in 3rd gear, transmission started smoking. So he literally towed it back to the house. And then that day that I went, he was supposed to just drop the transmission. That's it. It was literally drop the transmission and see what the issue was. So I was like, all right, I'm just gonna pass by for a little bit or whatever. So I passed by, I see the motor literally completely taken apart. I'm like, all right, this cannot be good. So as soon as he gets there, he's like, yo, pull out your camera, we're vlogging this right now. So I pulled out my phone. I was like, well, I have my phone, we can make this work. So then when I seen everything that happened, I was just like, oh my god. So literally, crank is shot, clutch is shot, transmission is shot, motor shot. Like, well, the motor's not shot, the motor and everything is perfectly fine, but the crank is shot. So obviously to replace a crank makes no sense. Just get a new motor because it doesn't make any sense. So we're not too sure right now if we're gonna get a JDM depot motor, get a like a donor motor. We're not too sure yet, but I'm gonna make this a part sequel. I'm gonna make this into parts. This is basically gonna be part 1. Part 2 is gonna be explaining what's gonna happen, and part 3 is gonna be working on it, and part 4 is probably gonna be getting the motor. So it's gonna take a long time, but Julio's gonna take his time because obviously it's money. Gotta get a motor, transmission, gotta get parts, gotta get a whole bunch of things. So that car's not gonna be out probably until like the summertime, if anything. So yeah, stay tuned to that. Stay tuned for that. So that's why, like, when you guys see that, we ended up just saying, hey, let's just tell people and have you guys follow us. So thank you guys again for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload. Let's hit 20,000 subscribers, guys. Please smash that like button right now. Comment down below what setup you think Julio is gonna do. Let's start getting this channel a little bit more active. I don't really ask a lot. I will keep asking you guys. Let's hit 20,000 subscribers, but I feel like I need to tell you guys so we can hit it. Like this video, guys. Like I told you, it does a lot for my channel. Shows my video around a lot. So please, guys, make sure you also subscribe. Let's hit 20,000 subscribers. I'm literally like 900 subscribers away. We literally can do this. Once I get sneak peeks of the hats, I'll show you guys. So once again, guys, thank you guys again. 2020 is gonna be a great year. Stay tuned for this build process. Build to enjoy. Peace.